My dear countrymen, this pandemic truly surprised the world on how incompetent or unprepared everyone is. Even though we had a lot of advancement in science, we didn't face this problem correctly. In the Philippines, the government prioritized relationship with other countries rather than the health of the citizen. That is a mistake that causes a lot of problems. So if I were the president, I would study the mistakes that were made in the past to prevent it from happening again. And I would also listen to the suggestions of our scientists and health departments. As a president, if the DOH and other laboratories propose a vaccine from other countries, I would pass a memo to have mass vaccination because it is my duty to assist my citizens to be immune from any infections. According to CBS Morning News last November 16, 2020, there are vaccines being produced by Pfizer and its German partner, BioNTech vaccine, that has 90% effectiveness, while the Moderna vaccine has 95% effectiveness to fight COVID-19. By waiting for the go signal of the DOH, I can make sure that the Denvaxia issue won't happen again and the citizen will be safe. With these vaccines and many more vaccines that are still in progress, it will help the world to fight the virus we are facing today because it is highly tested and analyzed. Just like Dr. Ashish just said, we need to have precautionary measures to avoid the spread of coronavirus, and the state must do more testing to stop the pandemic from getting worse. Finally, as president, I will make sure that the citizens support and trust my decisions by giving them enough information. And to all citizens, trust your government because the government intentions is only for the good and safety of all. The best way to predict the future is to create it. As Abraham Lincoln said, we always need to be prepared and stand united to face all kinds of problems, be it the coronavirus. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.